and welcome to Internet Comment Etiquette. I'm Eric, your host, and I'm sick as a dog. When I'm this sick, there's only a couple things I like to do, and that is rest, make soup, and show you guys how to demonstrate proper Internet Comment Etiquette. So let's take a look at our first video. It's called How to Teach Any Dog to Come. Computer, play video!
This video is about the first building block of having a dog that is reliable off-leash. I'm talking about, of course, coming when called. Every dog is different.
Listen. Good girl.
Alright, well now that that video's finished playing, let me show you how to leave a comment that's rich in vitamin C. For comment. Yo, how the fuck does this guy get to make his dog come like 20 times in a YouTube video, but I make my dog come once and he gets taken away from me? Not like I give a fuck. I bought a new one anyway. G's up, hose down. Government did 9/11. Good luck teaching your girlfriend to come. JK, you're cool. And penis and post. Alright, nothing makes me feel better than seeing a comment like that. Now don't forget to follow me on Twitter, @Etiquette. Anytime you have an etiquette question, just send me a tweet and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. Like this gentleman, for instance, @Twatterhouse. So Chris Brown took down his Twitter account. What now? Well, Twatterhouse, this is probably old news by now, but Chris Brown is actually back on Twitter. Which leads us to our comment quiz of the day. Now that Chris Brown is back on Twitter, what is the best tweet to welcome him with? Is it A, hey, go fuck yourself in your own dickhole while I watch, jerking off and talking to you about chemtrails? B, every time you thank God for something, he rapes an angel, #Team Breezy? Or is it C, when you left Twitter, every girl on this site let out a long collective sigh of relief? BTW, nice tattoos, LOL, JK, Gyllenhaal, fuck you. Or D, hey, you've got some really passionate fans, oh shit, look out, penis armada. Well, let's hope someone gets a retweet there. That's all the time we have for Internet Comment Etiquette this week. I'll leave you off, as always, abruptly.